Hi guys, so this is what happened here. The strong wind last night and yesterday, so it rips all the tent up. So we're going to remove this one and place new one, but we don't need to put it back yet till Friday or Saturday because the wind's still blowing so hard. Look at that. So it's been replaced like 2 times now, and yeah, so I'm going to start.
Wow, another super cheap bloody thing bites the dust. It's about a year old. It's pretty well weathered and really brittle. But, the wind's due for another couple of days yet, so we're just going to remove the debris and not install a new one until the winds have died down. And even the money, yeah. But our flag flies. Aussie, Aussie, aye. Well, this is a super cheap, super duper bloody cover. After a year, this is the heavy duty one in the year in the sun. Just no better than toilet paper. So, unfortunately, I bought 2 spares, so we're going to use those, but I'll never ever go down that road again. I'll go to Bunnings. You can get a heavy duty tarp for about 95 bucks to just fit over this. Won't be nice and snug like this, but it'll be long lasting and do the trick. Yeah. So there's the deal. The deal is, don't do it. Good on ya, super cheap. What do you think, love?
Good one.
Super crap?
Well, they said it's not what you call this, meant for temporary.
No, it's temporary, not meant permanent.
Not for, yeah, not meant
Well,
for
we only used it for a year.
permanent.
That's not permanent.
It's permanent. It's temporary, permanent.
Oh, well. Bit of other stuff blowing around during the night, but generally we've been pretty well spared. No big trees that we can see. I haven't been down the block yet. But anyway, enough's enough. Ciao for now.
So that's how it looks like. Thank you for watching. How is this? See you on my next vlog.